Hi, welcome to Alpha Motors here in Wigan. My name's Dominic. Today I'm excited to be showing you around this lovely 2019 69 plate Kia Sportage. Now we're finished in this lovely black metallic paintwork, a lovely metallic fleck in there. Car itself is in lovely order throughout. You can tell it's truly been cherished by the previous owners. Alloy wheels wise, we're riding on these lovely 17-inch multi-spoke diamond turned alloys with the grey inserts and the diamond turned outer edge. We've got bright silver detailing all throughout the car, so in your window surrounds, your grab handles. We've got the aluminium roof bars also coming through to the back. Nice Sportage badging, nice silver band around the bottom there. We've got reversing camera on this vehicle, nice big boot, split folding rear seats. Parcel shelf is present. Down here, loads of added storage, as well as your tyre inflation kit. Inside is a cloth sport seat. So, looking through, you've got a lovely pattern down the centre, contrasting white stitch, leather multifunction steering wheel. Jumping inside, as we're doing the video today, this vehicle's only covered 29,175 miles, which is absolutely nothing to one of these. It's supplied with both keys. Starting her up, rumbles into action. On the steering wheel, we've got our onboard computer, so trip computer. We've got our voice command, volume and media controls for the display. We've got cruise control and speed limiter, automatic lights, automatic wipers, lane departure warning, automatic stop start. We've got satellite navigation on this vehicle, obviously full radio DAB. You've got your media there also, dual zone climate control, heated front seats, 6-speed manual transmission, hill descent, parking sensors, central armrest. It's a very nice car. Auto dimming rear view mirror, Isofix in the back. The rear seats look like they've barely been sat in. They're in very nice order. We've got central armrest there as well. But a lovely car. So if you'd like any further information, please do get in touch. You can give us a call on 01942 231123. You can email us at sales@alphamotors.co.uk. But thank you for watching, and we look forward to your inquiry.